Die grinder carbide burrs are rotary tools crafted from tough tungsten carbide, designed for shaping, cutting, and removing metal with precision. In welding preparation, these burrs are essential for cleaning, deburring, and contouring metal edges, helping welders create smooth surfaces that lead to strong, reliable welds. Their durability and sharpness set them apart from traditional grinding stones, making them a trusted choice for professionals seeking quality and safety in their welding projects. Next, let's explore the different shapes available and how each one serves a specific purpose. Carbide burrs for die grinders are available in several shapes, each tailored to particular tasks. Cylindrical burrs work well for cleaning flat surfaces and smoothing weld seams, while ball and oval burrs are best for contouring and deburring curved edges. Tree and flame-shaped burrs excel at beveling and preparing corners before welding. Choosing the right burr shape streamlines material removal and produces a cleaner finish, making welding prep more efficient and precise. With the right tool in hand, let's look at the best practices for using carbide burrs safely and effectively. Begin by ensuring you have the proper safety equipment, including safety glasses, gloves, and hearing protection, before operating a die grinder with carbide burrs. Secure the workpiece firmly to prevent movement during grinding. When prepping metal for welding, use smooth, controlled motions to remove rust, paint, or uneven surfaces, keeping the burr perpendicular to the material for optimal results. Avoid applying excessive pressure, as this can damage both the burr and the workpiece. Regularly check the burr for wear and replace it if necessary to maintain efficiency. Common mistakes include skipping safety gear, using worn burrs, or grinding too aggressively, which can lead to poor weld quality or injury. By following these steps and techniques, you can achieve a clean, well-prepared surface for welding. Now, let's discuss how to properly care for your carbide burrs to ensure lasting performance. Proper maintenance and care are essential for extending the life of carbide burrs and ensuring they perform at their best. After each use, clean the burrs thoroughly with a brush or compressed air to remove debris and residue. Store them in a dry, organized container to prevent damage and keep them accessible for future tasks. Regularly inspect for dull edges or chipping, and replace any burrs that show significant wear to maintain safety and effectiveness. With routine cleaning and inspection, you can maximize both the longevity and reliability of your carbide burrs. Let's wrap up with a summary of how these tools contribute to successful welding preparation. Die grinder carbide burrs provide welders with precision and durability, making them indispensable for preparing metal surfaces. By selecting the right burr shape, practicing safe and controlled techniques, and maintaining the tools properly, you ensure cleaner edges and stronger welds. Consistent care and attention to detail not only extend the life of your burrs, but also enhance the overall quality and efficiency of your welding projects.